everybody. Welcome to my channel, Gandhi sir, and today we are going to start the introductory class for writing. You are a fresher, you are an advanced student. It helps you to learn how to make introductions. So it's a confusion among the students that what is the way of making introduction. So today I emphasize only on making introductions, on agree and disagree type. So I'll make you understand about the two questions, how to make introductions, at least for the two questions, and thereafter, definitely assignment will be given to you. You will make up that assignment, you will make that introduction of your own, comment me, and definitely I'll check it also when you comment your introduction. So keep watching whole video and understand slow process of this, right? So I'm going to start it. I'm going to start it and share you all the things. See, now if you look at on the screen, you see two questions. Spoken communication is more powerful than written communication. To what extent do you agree? Or the question is, educationists think that international exchange visits are more important for teenage school students. Do you agree? Now understand, first of all, what is the difference between these two questions? Now, if you look at the first one, there is a comparison. Comparison like, I'll show you by a pointer. It's written over here, it's more powerful than written communication. Now, if you look at the second one question, there is no such comparison. Think that international exchange visits are more important for teenage. It means agree-disagree type questions comes in two ways. One can be comparison-based, one cannot be a comparison-based. Hope it is a first screen that is clear to you. Now, either the question may be to what extent, or the question can be do you agree? So the concept remained the same. Either it's a to what extent or do you agree? So what is that concept of making introduction? So when you make introduction, I'll make you understand both types of question, concentrate on it, that how it would be made now. Now see, look at the first, now this one question, spoken communication is more powerful than written communication. To what extent do you agree? Now when you are making introduction, it is thumb rule, understand the statement. Do not think that the whole is a question. In every agree-disagree, the question remains different and there is a one statement also. Maybe comparison, may not be comparison. So the thumb rule is given below. That when you are making introduction, the first step is paraphrase. And some of the students, they don't know what is paraphrasing, so let them clear that whatever the statement is, you make it in your own language, meaning remain the same. Means state meaning yahi rehna chahiye, the meaning remain the same, but words must not be copied from your statement. Now make your own language. That's the first step. Second one is thesis statement. What is thesis statement? When you are giving answer of the question with a topic sentence with the main idea, that is called your thesis statement. So let's we understand by an example also. Ye tha concept. So let's we understand now with a what? With an example. Now see, the question is same. Spoken communication is more powerful than written communication. Now see how the paraphrasing is. Pragmatically, it is observed. Abhi मैंने pragmatically क्यों डाला? It means practically. So most of the students use it. There is no doubt, undoubtedly, to begin with. So do not use such kind of phrases. Writing understand means your own expressions. So I have tried to make my language start by adverb. Pragmatically, it is observed. देखिए वहां पर था spoken English. I have used here verbal communication. One is the same thing, but I have used my own words. Is more powerful than written communication. More powerful because I have used word is much more effective than verbal one. So this is what this is called paraphrasing. So I have not used the words from the statement itself. I have made my own language. Aldu faldu means unnecessary information from anywhere. Do not incorporate in your what? In your paraphrasing. Now, what is the second one? To what extent do you agree? Now, understand this is what my opinion is. In my humble opinion. Means you can also write I opine, simple word you can also use in my opinion, no worries at all. अब मुझे अपना आंसर देना है. Answer what? To what extent do you agree? If I agree, I write on agree side. If I disagree, I write on disagree side. So it is I flow is what? Agree or disagree. So what I'm writing my opinion, verbal interaction is regarded useful as it reaches to many people in less time. Means reaches to many people in less time is a topic sentence and reveals more expression of the speaker. मैंने इसका what I've done, I have given the answer of this question as it is useful to many people in less time and more expression of the speaker. So it means what I've done, I have written the thesis statement. Understand here. Do not write the line I agree with the above given statement. This is not the thesis statement. Again, I'm making you understand कि जो thesis statement बनाते हैं, that you give your answer in the form of two topic sentences. वो topic sentences means like a heading कि आप examiner को ये बताएं, make examiner understand that what you are going to write in BP1 and BP2. So this is must be followed what my instructions are. This is the taste of the examiner. If you're writing, I agree with the statement, yeah, this points, delve, like this, blah, blah, blah. So do not use such kind of unnecessary words. Straightforward paraphrasing and straightforward is write the answer of the question, that's it. Right, so this is the first type of agree, disagree introduction, which is based on, of course, comparison. Hope students you have understood. Keep watching. I'll make you understand the next different question type, which will not be based on the comparison. तो एक ऐसे हैं, दूसरे भी आपको help करेगी. You can also understand this then. Now see, the best way to reduce crime is to punish criminals strictly. To what extent do you agree? अब इस तरह का question. Now see, if you look at this question, there is no comparison. When there is no comparison, it means you are not supposed to paraphrase and you're not supposed to write comparison in your paraphrase. Now see, अब हम पहला step क्या है paraphrasing? It may be an effective ideology. अब effective ideology मैंने किसके लिए use किया? Best way, effective ideology. So I've changed the words. That's called paraphrasing type. To reduce crime is to punish criminals. So when लिखा to penalize the culprits in a strict manner. So this is how I have changed the words. Now, if you believe these two lines keep sense of, this is the statement line. So when two are same, it means your paraphrasing is correct, right? Of course, I'm saying penalize the culprits in a strict manner. It means if it is done, of course, crime will be reduced. So I have changed the words according to that. Now, to what extent do you agree? Now, let's make thesis statement. I firmly believe, मेरा अपना opinion है, harsh punishment is a great way of realization. अब देखिए किस तरह से मैंने use किया, a great way of realization. This is a topic sentence and a perfect lesson to the other criminals. Means and a perfect lesson to the other criminals who planned violent activities. Now I have given the answer of it in the topic sentence. मैं detail नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. Detail I'll write in BP1 or BP2. But be sure about it. जब आप पहला like a great way of realization, this is my first topic sentence. Perfect lesson to the other criminals who plan violent activities is second step. First step always remain a main point, main idea, topic sentence, and second one sports to the first one. How it is a great way of realization, how it is a perfect lesson, that is a part of BP paragraphs. So you must understand this thing, that first step is paraphrasing, answer is what. So students make a mistake in making what? In making thesis statement. They usually use the templates. So do not use the templates given by the teachers, because this is the test of your expression. Make your own language, right? Make your own thought. So that gives you better marks, right? So this is the way of making introduction, exactly how it is taught. I feel that if it is difficult for you or you feel difficult, ये इंट्रोडक्शन मैंने किस तरीके से बनाई है दोबारा दोबारा सुनिएगा. Even then, if you are unable to understand, don't worry. You comment, write your doubt in your comment. I will give you reply, right? So be in touch with me. So the moment you write your answer in a comment or the moment you write your doubt, I'll clear your doubt. Yes, if you like it, you have understood. I do request you, encourage me also by writing your comment that you have understood you have, so I can make more introductions or more writing paragraphs also. Right. Now, what is the time? As committed, I committed to you that understand, then I give you the assignments. Assignment is what? I'll give you 2 or 3 questions. आप उसको सुने, क्वेश्चन को समझें उसको, उसके बाद उसकी इंट्रोडक्शन जो है आप खुद लिखें. कहां लिखनी है? कमेंट देखिए नीचे लिखा होगा पब्लिक कमेंट. सो राइट देयर इटसेल्फ your introduction part. So when you write your introduction part, it comes to me, I'll reply you and check you where you are right or where you are wrong. So it will be personally checked by me, right? Now see, self-task that you do after listening whole, educationists think that international exchange visits are important for teenage school students. अब देखिए इसके अंदर कहीं पे भी कंपैरिजन नहीं है. It means you're on one side, paraphrase this statement and write your answer. Once you write your answer, when you write and send as a comment, I'll reply कि ये ठीक भी है आपकी introduction या नहीं. Yes, I'll give preference to those who immediately after listening write comment and I immediately reply to them. Right? So be sure about it. Write your introduction, learn the things in this way. Second question is what? ये practice task है. It is up to you, but I encourage you to write the answers of this and also comment. Big salary is more important than job satisfaction. To what extent do you agree? It is better to rejuvenate. Rejuvenate means reconstruction, दोबारा से बनाना, the old buildings instead of renovating. मुरम्मत करना means ज़्यादा अच्छी बात है कि old buildings को खत्म कर देना चाहिए instead of उनको renovate करें, repair करें. So do you agree? So these two are again the types of it. Write the introduction of these 3 one by one. Comment me one by one. I'll check your introduction. If I say yes, you will get a confidence. If I audit, it means you are learning from there. Right? So hope you have liked this video. I am waiting for your comment, waiting for your answer of this. You just only make introductions, right? Thank you and see you with the next topic soon.